So today we are going to discuss about sustainable development goals. So this is a very important topic in most of the competitive exams. So we will be getting thorough into the 17 sustainable development goals. So ये start हुआ था 2012 में. So in a UN conference on sustainable development at Rio de Janeiro. So 2012 में conference हुआ था United Nations का. वहाँ पे they have proposed a plan of making this sustainable development goal. So on 25th September 2015, 193 member nations set up 17 goals for SDG and which came into force on 1 January 2016. So 2015 में 193 member nations, so they set up 17 goals which are going to be included in these sustainable development goals. So and ये जो SDG है, it came into force in 1st January 2016. So there are, you must know that a total of 17 SDGs are present or they have been discussed in the United Nations scenario. So within this 17 SDG there are around 169 targets. Okay, so the agenda, the theme is Agenda 2030. It means by 2030 all these 169 targets needs to be fulfilled. So another important point that you should know that these SDGs are not legally binding to the government. It means they are not enforceable or they are not going to force any government to complete all these 169 targets. So it depends on the government and the priority of the government and the possibilities, the financial possibilities, the population of that country and how people are reacting, what is the scenario of that country. So likewise, so if you are going to complete 169 targets, then it's better good. Otherwise, you can complete either of one of the 17 SDG. So the first goal is no poverty. It means that a good amount of money should be earned by each of the people within the country for their survival. Then G2, zero hunger. Then G3, goal 3 is good health. So once you have started earning money, so your hunger will be escaped and you will have good health. So the fourth one is quality education. So no poverty, hunger, good health, and now G4 is quality education. So G5 is gender equality. Then G6 is clean water and sanitation. G7 is affordable and clean energy. Then comes G8. G8 is decent work and economic growth. G9 is industry, innovation and infrastructure. G10 is reduced inequality. G11 is sustainable cities and communities. G12 is responsible consumption and production. G13 is climate action. G14 is life below water. G15 is life on land. G16 is peace and justice, strong institutions. G17 is partnership to achieve goal. So again we are going to revise. Okay, so likewise you can remember, you can make some short tricks to remember these 17. So you should start like poverty. Then after once you have gone out of poverty, you will get food, so your hunger will be gone. Then once you get good food, you will get good health. Okay, so once your health is good, you start studying, that is quality education. Then once you study well, you will be knowing about the gender equality, that is G5. So once your education is good, you will have your clean water and sanitation within your community. Then G7 is affordable and clean energy. Then G8 is decent work and economic growth. 9 is industry. Okay, innovation and infrastructure. 10 is reduced inequality. G11 is sustainable cities and communities. 12 is responsible consumption. 13 climate action. 14 is life below water. 15 life on land, peace, partnership. So you can remember like this: poverty, hunger, health, education, equality, water, clean energy, decent work, industry, inequality, cities, consumption, climate, life below water, land, peace and justice, strong institutions, partnerships to achieve goal. So these are the 17 sustainable development goals that you should remember. Generally the questions in your previous year, they have asked in UPSC or any public service state level, they have asked to tell in which point what is the concept. Like in G8, what it is means decent work. Okay, G10 is inequality. So either they may ask you the goal number, or they may ask you the theme of that goal, or they may ask that the goal number is given, identify which is incorrect. Okay, so like that questions you may get.